Hi everyone, happy Tech Tuesday. Today I wanted to talk about some communication devices specific to visual impairment. First up, I have this light box. Right now I just have these different gel shapes in it. You could put letters in here. You could use pictures, different objects. It's a pretty large box. And then whatever you put in here, that light is just going to help you to be able to see it better. Next up, I have this, it's called the Inline 4 communicator. So there are 4 buttons here, and each of these buttons has a backlight on it. And then whenever you press it, it lights up, and then it says whatever you've recorded. So that backlight just helps you to be able to see these picture cards a little bit better. This here is the Talkable 4, and then I have these different textured caps on it. And then when you press the button, it says whatever you record on here. So these different texture caps just help to be able to differentiate the buttons that are on here. This one is called a shape talker. So when you match the shape to the correct location and you press down,
I'm hungry.
it says whatever you've recorded in here.
Hello.
So that's a great way to be able to differentiate the different button locations that you have on here. This one is called the Prox Pad. So these cards, they have a chip in them, and you can record on these cards. And then whenever you hold it down on the Prox Pad,
hamburger,
it says whatever you've recorded, which is likely going to be whatever this object that you have on the card is. Like this one says fries. So I think it comes with a set of 50, but you could also make your own too. And then this one over here is the Accent 1000. So this is a high-tech device. This one's really cool though because it has a visual impairment vocabulary page. So as you can see, all of these buttons have a black background on them, and then all of the pictures are very brightly colored. And then whenever you press on it, these buttons have a very bright border, so they make it really easy to see.
Yes.
And then the last thing I wanted to talk about is you could always make your own too. Kind of like the idea of this. This is a tactile coloring book. But all of these are all have raised lines on them, and then they have braille for each word. So you can make communication cards kind of with a similar idea. If you ever need to add any more tactile feedback to help differentiate what's on there, different outlines, just different textures, you could use bump dots, you could use puff paint. There are a lot of different options out there. These are not the only devices that are out there, but there are some options. And that's all that I have for you today. Happy Tech Tuesday.